Let's talk about style in your app. The style settings control an app's overall look. They are accessed in the Style tab and include images, text, colors, fonts, and arrangements. So let's navigate to the Style tab and look at the settings there. Here's the Style tab just to the right of the Actions tab. And in this tab, we'll see a preview of our app on the right, and we see the setting options on the left. The first three options are for images. We have a profile image, a header image, and a background image that we can all change, and they're all optional. They all can be used in any combination. This app currently is only using a profile image, and we'll come back and add a couple of other images here in a moment. Below the profile image in the preview, we see an app title and description. That text is added here in the text section of the style settings. Below the text, we see the color themes. There's a handful of preset themes. You can copy the color theme of any of the templates. So there are over 100 template apps that you can copy any of the themes that you like there. And you can also copy, customize your theme. So you have complete control to have any color theme that you want. There are 6 color settings in each theme that you can control. The background text, the action card color, the card text, the header box, which is the color that appears only on a desktop view outside to the right and left of the header image, and you can control the icon color. If you look at the bottom of this, you see one action that does not follow the color theme of the app. So you can individually control the colors of actions. Any that you do not control individually follow the default settings for the entire app. Within each of these colors, you can have it be a solid color, a linear gradient, which is what we have in this instance, and a radial gradient. You can also control the angle of transition of the gradient. So this gradient has 3 different colors. Adding a color is just tapping in this color bar. Tapping twice removes any of the colors, and we can set any of these 3 colors individually, and we can also set the transparency to make it make the background color bleed through. Below the color theme, we control the font of the app, and we control the action arrangement, which we also call the desktop arrangement. If you look at the bottom of the page, you see a preview of the app, which is the mobile view and the desktop view. Multi-column changes the desktop flow of the app so that it tiles across the entire screen, which looks better in my view on a desktop display. But it's just a single click to change back and forth how the app will appear on a desktop display. Going back to the top of this app, let's add a couple of other images. I'm going to change the profile image from this flower to a lady's profile image, which I'll upload here. We see that the profile image changed. I'm also going to add a postage size stamp screenshot of water in a swimming pool. I'm going to add that. And I've set the background image to tile across the screen. So by taking a small image and tiling it vertically and horizontally across the screen, I give the entire app a background look of water, even though I've used a very small image, which keeps my app very fast. I'm going to take this one out, and I'm going to add a header image, which is uploading here now. So now we see a header image and a profile image, no background image. I still see the color background, and I left the color background there because I was going to change the color theme of the app. So I'm going to choose one of these preset colors. Again, there are well over 100 preset colors and other templates that we can also grab and copy into our app, but this will change our app's color scheme entirely. We can change it as often as we want, and as I mentioned, you can individually change colors of individual actions or, frankly, of individual text on the screen. And that's a quick summary of the style settings. Thank you.